Governor Mike DeWine tells 10 TV if the parents and school boards want children to avoid remote learning after their Christmas holiday, they'll need to enforce mask wearing. The governor's comments come after another record day for positive COVID-19 cases. He sat down with 10 TV's Kevin Landers inside the governor's residence.
We don't want to go back to remote. So to everyone out there who's watching, if you want your child in school, the best thing to do is get vaccinated, get that booster shot. Wearing a mask in school is also going to slow down the spread.
On a day when Ohio broke another single-day record for COVID-19 cases since March of 2020, Governor Mike DeWine sat down to talk about the state's response to a pandemic that has no end in sight.
If you look at the counties in Ohio that have high vaccination levels versus those that have low vaccination levels, the low vaccination levels, the death rate per 100,000 population is over double what it is in the well-vaccinated counties.
DeWine says he's troubled by the fact that many rural counties have 37% vaccination rates and that 2.7 million Ohioans eligible to get the booster have yet to get it. I asked him if he felt weakened when the legislature took away his power to enforce health orders in March and the perception that he didn't push hard enough to keep those powers.
Well, that's absolutely not true. I've had one focus since this pandemic began, and that's on saving lives and saving people's livelihoods so they could work. But that never stopped me from pushing as hard as I could every single day to work to keep Ohioans working, but also to keep Ohioans protected.
DeWine says he hasn't decided if he plans to hold another statewide address on the dangers of COVID as he has during previous spikes in cases. He says for now he's leaving the messaging to doctors and nurses and urges the public to seek their own medical advice.
Listen to your doctor. Go talk to your doctor. And that doctor can tell you the pros and cons of doing this. And I think that, doctors will tell their patients that they're much better off getting the vaccine than not getting the vaccine.
DeWine also credited local libraries for helping to distribute free COVID-19 testing kits. He says so far statewide, the state has given out about 5 million tests. In Franklin County, that number is closer to about 110,000. Reporting from the State House, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.